we have the Spigot Drum Tap from the vintage shop. This is fully open and remains open, and this is open, and then you can go little by little, you adjust the flow. And I also want to show how easy it is to clean it. You just unscrew this part, and then you have access to both sides. And then if you really want to take it whole thing apart, you just have to push this one, you remove the tap, you remove this one, you remove the spring, and this one you can take it apart, but then you need to warm it up to put it back in. But this is the minimum expression. You can clean it up completely this way and then put it back exactly like you took it apart. Now, one more thing that is important to know about this Spigot Drum Tap is that our 1/2 inch spring bottle filler fits right into here. So if you want to bottle this way, you can use in conjunction with the 1/2 inch spring bottle filler or our 1/2 inch gravity bottle filler.